Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel, and the mess that you see here in front of me is actually going to be my Kill a Kit with Style for the month of October. Now, I had actually created a kit for September, realized I never even shared it, got home from retreat and decided I have way too many Disney photos, so this is going to be a kit that I plan on scrapping a lot of Disney photos with. Now, it's not going to be a lot of Disney themed stuff. Some stuff, of course, is going to be Disney themed, but not everything. So I do have these containers that have all kinds of Disney embellishments in them. All kinds. Little bits of cut aparts, wood veneer, die cuts, stickers, you name it, it is in here. I'm not going to go through every single one of these little guys because there is a lot, but I have two of these. These are the mini distress tins that I just took the divider out and I used them for this. I also have a bunch more of embellishments. So I have a good amount of Dottie About Flair in just some varying colors and themes. And then I have a couple Scrappin' Happy Studios epoxy flares. So I've got the regular flare and epoxy flare. I also have the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Hello Sunshine Enamel Dots. I've got these little guys right here, which are diamond dots for paintings. My friend Crystal was so nice to give some of them back to me when I gave her a gift of a couple jars at retreat. I have these two glitter cuts right here from Fancy Pants. Love these little guys. A bunch of gold stars, some old sequins that I had. Oops, none of these are current. Oops a Daisy, Holiday Magic, Rose Gold Glory. And then I have these little styrofoam color puff balls. No idea what they are, but I figured we can probably do something fun with them on a Disney layout. I have the mix of sequins that I gave out at retreat. I have some little journaling spots. These big old rhinestones, these smaller rhinestones. Oop, there's another flare. I want to go through the papers last, so we'll get the papers out of there. So I have a variety of thicker packages, and of course I like to pare down my packaging, so all of these were moved from two sides to one side. And then of course we have the Disney one. So I have some of these guys right here. Here I have more Simple Stories ones. A lot of these things came from my retreat bag, and I thought these would be great. And then I have some of these 12 by 12 sticker sheets. So this is a family sticker sheet, but it has things like Together is the Best Place to Be, A Day to Remember, Amazing, This Camera. So I figured there were some good things in there. This one is a cooking one, but I figure, you know, we can use that too. This summary one that came from, I believe, Sharon at retreat. I have this basic gray travel that's been in my stash for a little while. This is Teresa Collins, been in my stash for a little while. This is a Bella Boulevard sticker sheet. I gave out one at retreat, so I used some. But I figured these are great colors to do that for again. And then I have a bunch of alphabets. So I have this blue one from Pink Fresh, this white one that came from my other friend Sharon. These thickers that are branded as Mondo Llama, you can pick them up at Target, but they're thickers. A mini market, this Doodlebug design from my secret sister Erica. Another set of those Mondo Llama ones, like I said, these are thickers. My Vicky Booten sticker book, because, you know, Vicky's got lots of things that can be usable. And then we'll go through the papers. So I went and grabbed these papers right here. And these papers are my cut off papers and little papers that I have set aside for Disney layouts. So some of them are cut aparts. Some of them are just offcuts of paper. So I have those. And then I have this 12 by Words from Paige Evans. Forgot about those. Have this 12 by 12 paper pack called Enchant It from Kaisercraft. There's a heart sticker on the back there. Ooh. Oh, I didn't realize it came with the sticker sheet too, so bonus sticker sheet. So this is the Kaisercraft pack. It looks like 2 of each one. So that's a beautiful dot. Oh, look at that wood grain. It's the other side. Okay, kind of a secret door print. On the other side, mushrooms, a red print, more mushrooms, keys, just some green stripes. It's beautiful black and white kind of chalk print, and then this teal green print on there. I also have the tartan #1. I grabbed 2 of them. They were both pinks. I have a couple of space papers. Not exactly sure which ones I want to use yet. A couple Once Upon a Time papers. I definitely want to use this gold foily side. This has banners on one side and stars on the other. A pretty, probably that side. Look at that. Love those colors. Stripy colors or clouds. I'll put the clouds next to that. This is a piece of paper from the sticker sheet that I have in the kit. This black and white print here. Yeah, that one. This is a dinosaur print on this side, but it's probably going to be the cobblestone-y type things on here. This is Capture Life. It's a cut apart on one side, which could happen, but it's probably going to be the yellow. Animal Safari. I love this pattern. I also love this deep golden yellow. Here is another black and white print with some kind of vintage kind of ads on the back side. I've got 2 Rosy Studio papers. One is a big old floral and one is a little white heart dot print. A couple of pink paisley papers. One is kind of a ledger and then one has the dots. I like the ledger. On this side, I like the dots better. And then, of course, I grabbed some of my Paper House essentials. So I have a couple of wood grains, the brick pattern, the diagonal, another wood grain, and the purple stripe. Now I also pulled in a couple basic grays. This is obscure, but I figure I would cut this up and use this not as a full sheet. This is a basic gray paper as well. So is this one and this one as well. Probably, although I love that, it's probably going to be that side. I have an authentique green paper. I like this stripe. A couple of Vicky Bouton pre-made mixed media backgrounds, which of course you know I always add to. Here is another Vicky Bouton paper. This one as well, probably going to be this side, probably that side. I have a couple color study papers too. I love this blue one here. Love this blue one here too. And then a couple of Chamel papers. So we got some dandelions, this scene, this thing that says wish, field trip. And I plan on using this side of the paper for Pandora. These dots, which is just this green on the other side, but I love the dots. This has a lot of rulers, but I am in love with this yellow. I have this Hey Hello from Jen Hadfield. I got the black and white. I grabbed that little scrap because I thought it was cute. I have these, could be either side. I like them both. And then this is just a color block sheet, a black and white diagonal, just a sheet, and then the red and wood grain. So that's the kit, guys. It is kind of huge and all over the place, but I hope I can create a lot of layouts with it. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys again real soon for another video.